Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your artboard size on Adobe Illustrator. So I'm just going to select this one, and you can basically adjust the size by pressing this button and kind of adjusting the artboard size to, for instance, your artwork. And then just click on this to get out of the artboard section, and here you go. You have kind of change the size of your artboard on Illustrator. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.